The title of this mini podcast is What is Enough? Let me start with a bold thought right out of the gate. Enough isn't a quantity, it's a mindset. I first started wrapping my head around this about 40 years ago. I was at a seminar, and the speaker told a story that stuck with me. He was in a job interview, and part of the process was taking a bunch of psychological tests. When he finished, the psychologist asked him one simple question. What do you want out of life? He answered with one word, enough. That answer lit something up in me, because when you really think about it, if enough is a number, you'll hit that number, and then what happens? You move the goalpost. You come up with a new number, a new definition, a new enough. And just like that, you've created a world where there's never enough. Doesn't matter what we're talking about here, money, love, success, experiences. If you're chasing a quantity, it's a game you can't win. I remember reading an interview years ago with Jason Alexander. You know, George from Seinfeld. At that time, he was making $1 million an episode. Over 20 episodes a year. And still, he was worried it wouldn't be enough. Think about that. It really drives home the point. If enough is a number, it's always just out of reach. On the flip side, there's that old Bible story about the loaves and fishes. The idea that somehow, some way, there will be enough. But here's the key. Enough has to become a mindset. My friend Jerry Stocking has a great way of putting it. He says, enough is what you currently have. I like that. Because if you live from the belief that there's never enough, your mind just spins round and round, always calculating, always worrying, always coming up short. But if you shift it just a little and start from the idea that what you have is enough, something changes. You breathe a little easier. There's a great story about Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. He wanted to build a big meditation center, and one of his students asked, "Where's all that money going to come from?" And Maharishi said, "From wherever it is at the moment." That's the mindset. So maybe take a moment today and just sit with that idea. What if enough is already available? Because if you adopt that mindset, even occasionally, you might find it's more than enough to carry you through the rest of your life. All the best, John.